UGC NET JRF exam, History, June 2015, solved paper 2. Note, this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. The hominoid fossils of Hathnora is A. Homo erectus, B. Homo habilis, C. Homo sapiens, D. None of the above. And the answer is option A. Homo erectus. Question number 2. The burial practice was started by A. Homo sapiens, B. Homo erectus, C. Homo neanderthalensis, D. Homo habilis. And the answer is option C. Homo neanderthalensis. Question number 3. From where the largest number of copper hoards have been found? A. Jodhpura, B. Bahadrabad, C. Saipai, D. Gangeria. And the answer is option D. Gangeria. Question number 4. Match list 1 Harappan site with list 2 archaeological remains and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Mohenjo-daro, terracotta horse figurine, Lothal, fire altar, Harappa, terracotta spoked wheel, Perak, horse fossil. Question number 5. Who among us the following was the first to propose that Harappan culture had developed in the Indus region itself and was not intrusive from western region? A. Dayaram Shani, B. Rakhal Das Banerjee, C. John Marshall, D. Madho Sarup Vats. And the answer is option C. John Marshall. Question number 6. The earliest epigraphical evidence of Indo-European language have been found at A. Bactria, B. Iraq, C. Iran, D. Syria. And the answer is option B. Iraq. Question number 7. Which of the following priest composed Gayatri Mantra? A. Vasistha, B. Vishwamitra, C. Atri, D. Bharadwaj. And the answer is option B. Vishwamitra. Question number 8. Which of the following Vedang is associated with metrics? A. Siksha, B. Kalpa, C. Niruktha, D. Chanda. And the answer is option D. Chanda. Question number 9. The Greek settlement Bokifala was situated on A. Ravi, B. Chenab, C. Zealam, D. Sindhu. And the answer is option C. Zealam. Question number 10. Which of the following dynasty issued largest number of copper coins in India? A. Indo-Greek, B. Satvahana, C. Kushan, D. Gupta. And the answer is option C. Kushan. 11. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1 Chalukya Temple. List 2 their builder. Brahma Temple, Vinyaditha, Huchimal Temple, Vijayaditha, Virupaksha Temple, Lokamahadevi, Mallikarjuna Temple, Trilokyama Devi. 12. Who amongst us the following for the first time introduced a new device in Indian drama, that is, drama within a drama? Grabha Nataka. A. Harsha, B. Bhana, C. Mayura, D. Divakar. And the answer is option A. Harsha. 13. Who among the following built Kailashanath temple at Kanchi? A. Narasimhavarman I, B. Narasimhavarman II, and Parmeshwaravarman II, C. Narasimhavarman 1 and 2, D. Narasimhavarman II and Mahendravarman III. And the answer is option D. Narasimhavarman II and Mahendravarman III. 14. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Panchasiddhantika Varahamihira, B. Brahma Sutra Aryabhatta, C. Astansangra Vagbhata, D. Nighantu Dhanvantari. And the answer is option B. Brahma Sutra Aryabhatta. 15. Which of the following temple is built by bricks? A. Parvati temple at Nachanakuthara, B. Lathkhan temple at Aihole, C. Baigram temple at Dinajpur. D. Shiva temple at Bumrah. And the answer is option C. Baigram temple at Dinajpur. 16. Which one of the following is not correct in reference to Ajanta? A. Out of 28 caves, 5 belong to earlier than Gupta period. B. Cave number 14 and 16 are Chaitya and the rest are Vihara. C. Cave number 20 and 21 are Chaitya and the rest are Vihara. D. Its paintings give secular message and the answer is option C. Cave number 20 and 21 are Chaitya and the rest are Vihara. 17. Which of the following is not correct in context to Kalabra revolt? A. The revolt was against Cholas. B. It was a powerful peasant protest against landlords Brahmanas. C. They ruled for 75 years. D. They did not patronize Buddhist monasteries. And the answer is option D. They did not patronize Buddhist monasteries. 18. Medieval Indian history written in Persian language is identified as Persian historiography. It rallies around to the A. Activities of masses, B. Ulema, C. Ruling classes, D. Sufi silsila. And answer is option C. Ruling classes. 19. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Source author A. Abbas Khan Sarwani, Futuhati Aisher Shahi, Jauhar Aftabchi, Tashkirat ul Waqiat, Abdul Qadir Badhoni, Muntakhab ul Tawarik, Firishta, Tariq Firishta. And the answer is option A. Abbas Khan Sarwani, Futuhati Aisher Shahi. 20. Taksim document or same as A. Arsatas. B. Muwazana I Dashala. C. Akbarat. D. Malfusat. And the answer is option B. Muwazana I Dashala. 21. Atala Mosque at Jaunpur was built by A. Bahmani Sultans, B. Khalji Sultans, C. Sharki Sultans, D. Lodi Sultans. And the answer is option C. Sharki Sultans. 22. Who among us the following belong to Subravardhi Silsila? A. Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria, B. Sheikh Yahya Maneri, C. Sheikh Ahmad Sirhindi, D. Sheikh Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Khaki. And the answer is option A. Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria. 23. Which one of the following cities was not a mint city in Mughal India? A. Agra, B. Banswara, C. Ahmedabad, D. Ajmer. And the answer is option B. Banswara. 24. Sarkhej and Bayana were well known during Mughal times for their extensive cultivation of A. Cotton, B. Betel leaves, C. Poppy, D. Indigo. And the answer is option D. Indigo. 25. Who is the first to give a description of the languages of the different regions of India and reminds us that the Hindavi is the country's lingua franca and Sanskrit its classical language? A. Al-Biruni, B. Ibn Battuta, C. Barani, D. Amir Khusro. And the answer is option D. Amir Khusro. 26. An equivalent of Marathi term Deshmukh in North India is A. Karori, B. Chaudhary, C. Patel, D. Admin. And the answer is option B. Chaudhary. 27. Which of the following Mughal emperors mentions that salt is not available in Kashmir and is brought from Hindustan? A. Babur, B. Akbar, D. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. And the answer is option C. Shah Jahan. 28. Bharani says about a Delhi Sultan that when he ascended the throne, the Muslims and Hindus had their hearts comforted, and notes that by 1357 the Quds and Mukaddams had become prosperous with numerous horses and cattle. Who was this Sultan? A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, C. Firoz Tughlaq, D. Muhammad Tughlaq. And the answer is option C. Firoz Tughlaq. 29. Which of the following is not correct about Alauddin Khilji? A. He was connected with almost everything that happened in the houses of the nobles and the public markets. B. According to Bharani, the Sultan ordered the nobles not to go each other's houses and there were to be no intermarriages among them unless a proper permission was obtained from the Sultan. C. He himself gave up drinking. D. All the contemporary sources have made the mention of Badmini legend and the answer is option D. All the contemporary sources have made the mention of Badmini legend. 30. First time assignment of pattas to the Sardars at large scale is traceable from the time of A. Raja Mansingh of Amber, B. Rao Maldeo of Jodhpur, C. Raja Jait Singh of Bikaner, D. Rana Kumbha of Mewar. And the answer is option B. Rao Maldeo of Jodhpur. 31. Guru Granth Sahib includes the composition of A. Guru Nanak and his successors, B. Sheikh Farid, C. Namdev, Kabir and Ravidas, D. All the above. And the answer is option D. All the above. 32. Award of title to a noble was a part of political culture in medieval India. Title show the noble's socio-political status in the Mughal India. Keeping in view the above statement, choose from the below to whom the title of Farzand son was awarded to. A. Raja Barmal, B. Raja Mansingh, C. Raja Baso, D. Raja Birsingh Dio Bundila. And the answer is option B. Raja Mansingh. 33. Identify the Mughal royal lady after whose death in 1604 many Rajput chiefs along with Emperor Akbar shaved their heads. A. Gulbadan Begum, B. Hamida Bano Begum, C. Maham Anaga, D. Manmati Bai. And the answer is option B. Hamida Bano Begum. 34. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1 Traveler, list 2 Rain. Ralph Fitch, Akbar, Bernier, Aurangzeb, Sidi Ali Reis, Humayun, Thomas Roe, Jahangir. 35. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below the list. Authors, books. Michael H. Fisher. The Politics of British Annexation of India 1757 to 1857. Brewer. Marxist Theories of Imperialism. Shigeru Ishikawa. Economic Development in Asian Perspective. Karl Polanyi. The Great Transformation, the Political and Economic Origins of Our Times. 36. Who among the following for the first time formulated regular press laws during the rule of the British East India Company? A. Lord Warren Hastings, B. Lord Cornwallis, C. Sir John Shore, D. Lord Wellesley. And the answer is option D. Lord Wellesley. 37. Between 1866 and 1919, high courts were established at A. Bombay, Madras and Calcutta, B. Allahabad, Patna and Lahore, C. Madras, Calcutta and Allahabad, D. Bombay, Patna and Lahore. And the answer is option B. Allahabad, Patna and Lahore. 38. Among the following, who was not with Mahatma Gandhi during the Champaran Satyagraha? A. Anuruddha Narayan Sinha, B. Brij Kishore Prasad, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Ravi Shankar Vyas. And the answer is option D. Ravi Shankar Vyas. 39. Which act provided for holding the ICS recruitment examination in India? A. Indian Councils Act 1861, B. Indian Councils Act 1893, C. Morley Mentor Reforms 1909, D. Government of India Act 1919. And the answer is option D. Government of India Act 1919. 40. Who of the following women was not associated with revolutionary movement? A. Bina Das, B. Kalpana Andat, C. Madam Bikaji Kama, D. Turudat. And the answer is option D. Turudat. 41. In which session of Indian National Congress Sarojini Naidu was elected as its president? A. Delhi session 1918, B. Gaya session 1922, C. Kanpur session 1925, D. Madras session 1927. And the answer is option C. Kanpur session 1925. 42. Who among the following threw a bomb on the Central Legislative Assembly on 8 April 1929? A. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru, B. Sukhdev and Rajguru, C. Bhagat Singh and B.K. Datta, D. Rajguru and B.K. Datta. And the answer is option C. Bhagat Singh and B.K. Datta. 43. As a result of the Pune Pact, the number of seats reserved for the depressed classes out of general electorate seats were A. Decreased, B. Retained at the same level, C. Abolished, D. Increased. And the answer is option D. Increased. 44. Who of the following was not associated with civil disobedience movement? A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Abbas Tayabji, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Lala Hardayal. And the answer is option D. Lala Hardayal. 45. How many countries attended the first summit meeting of the non-alignment movement held in 1961? A. 22, B. 24, C. 27, D. 30. The answer is 25. 46. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answers from the quotes given below. Authors' writings. Mark Bloch, The Historian's Craft. J.H. Robinson, The New History. Antonio Gramsci, Prison Notebooks. Jacques Derrida, of Grammatology. 47. Of the following, which criterion was not laid down by the preparatory committee of the first NAM conference for the member countries? A. To follow an independent policy. B. Not to be a member of multilateral alliances. C. To sever all the existing alliances. D. If considered military bases, they should not be meant for superpower conflict. The answer is option C. To sever all the existing alliances. 48. Who among the following Prime Ministers of India told a journalist that the Congress has become moribund, adding, sometimes I feel that even the parliamentary system has become moribund? A. V.P. Singh, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. H.D. Devegowda. The answer is option B. Indira Gandhi. 49. Consider the following statements. Assertion A. During the 18th century, Indian scholars came in close contact with the rich storehouse of Western literature. Reason R. In respect of the development of vernacular literature, the Indian scholars imbibed new ideas, new literary forms, new methods, and techniques. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Option A. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. 50. The idea of progress gained ground in the writings of A. Medieval church historians, B. 18th century Enlightenment historians, C. 19th century nationalist historians, D. None of the above. And the answer is option B. 18th century Enlightenment historians.